Hey guys, welcome to TOT Productions. I'm Lisa Tiote. In this video, I'm just gonna give you guys 4 signing services that took a chance on me to get my first signings in as a notary signing agent. They also contribute in me getting my first 1K for my business. So I did reach my first 1K month. And I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a lot to me because I didn't even think I was gonna get anything from this, okay? This was me just trying to see if I actually wanna do this full time or if I actually wanna go through with this business full time and make this a real legit LLC. And I'm thinking I'm gonna go for it because I already seen my first 1K month. So what else can I do? You know, that's kind of how I see it. So the first signing service that gave me signings almost immediately, I'm gonna start from worst to best, is Notary Go, okay? Notary Go, I have not taken any signings from them because their offers are so low and so unreasonable. Like, they're gonna say like $60 to drive all the way to Wilmington, okay? And that's 2 hours away. That's ridiculous to me, okay? If I was super desperate to get the signing, it's my first signing ever and I couldn't get anything else, then yes, I would take it just to get experience, just to get something under my belt and stuff like that. So if it's your first time, you want to get into a signing agent and you want to get a signing, Notary Go, take it because you don't have any other choice. But like eventually when you start having more options, you'll be like, all right, this is ridiculous. I'm not driving 2 hours for $60. So yeah. So Notary Go, they'll give you an opportunity. So definitely Notary Go will give you an opportunity. Second one is Signing Solutions. Signing Solutions is through Signing Track. It's like I guess a third party. Signing Track takes you to another one that's called Sign 360. Start with Signing Solutions. So just call Signing Solutions, ask them how to set it up, and they'll help you guys out. With Signing Solutions, it took me to call them and be like, hey, I'm a signing agent, for them to give me signings. So you really got to take the chance to just call them and let them know that you're available and all that stuff, and they'll give you some signings. So they did contribute to my first 1K month. They definitely gave me a few signings. I haven't gotten a bunch from them. The last two is the one that I got a lot of signings from. The next one, which is my favorite, actually let me save this one for last. My next one is also my favorite, but it's not my favorite, okay? So this one is Signing Order. So Signing Order, oh my gosh, Signing Order they just showed me so much love because they're like a third-party signing service. So they send me text messages to my phone, I accept it, and then that's when I go through with the order when the day comes. But they send me so many, like literally, you do one, you do good on it, you do another, you do good on it, they're gonna just keep sending, and you just gotta accept it, okay? One thing that I do, I just call as soon as I see the notification. So I'm like, I see the notification, I hit them up like, hey, I seen you guys have a signing at this time on this day, and then I call them and then they just give me the signing. So yeah, so it is first come first serve. So if I'm the first one to call them and let them know, then my chances are higher of getting that signing than to just accept it and wait. If you want something, you gotta go get it, okay? So that's kind of what I did, just kind of went for it. And it works most of the time. So most of the time when I call them, I do get the signing. So Signing Order, plethora of signings from them, okay? They actually are the majority of the reason why I was able to get my first 1K month, okay? So I was very excited about that. It was actually this month in October that I reached my first 1K month. I actually went over 1K, but that's it for another video. I don't need to explain that. Just know that I reached minimum 1K because of Signing Order, who took a chance on me as a new signing agent. And literally, like, I guess I haven't made too many mistakes to where they didn't stop using me. So yeah, Signing Order just has like a platform where all these different signing services come to. All these different signing services work with me through Signing Order. So I've done a lot of signings through them. Like, honestly, I lost count. I've done so many signing services. So yeah, I don't even know how many I did with them, but they will take a chance on you, okay? Just don't mess up too much, because I actually have a friend who told me that he got blocked from Signing Order because he just kept messing up. So he messed up so much to the point where it was like, all right, you're on a block list, we're not taking you anymore. Be careful, just make sure you know what you're doing before you fully go out there. You don't want to be a part of the block list. So final signing service is SnapDocs. Oh my gosh, SnapDocs is my baby. Like, this website literally carried me through this whole month. SnapDocs literally just back-to-back hits on my phone. Like, there hasn't been one weekday, okay, every day I know I'm gonna get either signing order or SnapDocs. Like one or the other, I know I'm gonna get an assignment from them. So minimum one a day is what I get from both signing order and SnapDocs. SnapDocs, they actually gave me the chance first. But with SnapDocs, the trick is that it has an algorithm. You do have to reply even if you're not gonna take the signing. So even if you're not taking the signing, just go ahead and click it and say I'm not available, even if you're not gonna take it, because there's an algorithm on there that ranks people from who's most active on there. Feel free to fill in your signings from other signing services. So if you got a signing from signing order, feel free to go to SnapDocs and put it in there. Like, just be active on SnapDocs and let the algorithm know that you're an active person on that platform, because it will rank you higher than most other people. And that's probably why I've gotten so many signings from SnapDocs, because I'm so active on SnapDocs, and it even tells you on the side your ranking, and it says my ranking is high. Okay, so my ranking is high because I'm very active on SnapDocs. I put my signings in there, I call the signing services that they give me, and like I'm constantly on there. I comment on there. I'm very active on SnapDocs, okay? I do it on purpose because I know the algorithm is like watching, you know? So I kind of just play with it and I get hits every single time. So yeah, that's like the 4. Honestly, I want to say that's the only ones that I really get signings from. Like everything else that I signed up for, I haven't really heard much from them. I have to like continue signing up for signing services if I want to reach my like future goals, like a 10K month or something, like, because signing order and SnapDocs actually like helped me get my first 1K. So now my goal is to eventually go direct, which is start marketing myself, because I think I am going to start taking this very seriously. I've taken it seriously, but like next level serious, like very serious. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If there is something else that I can do to be of help, when I was a new, and I still am a new signing agent, I was watching videos back to back, okay? Because I was like, I need to understand this signing agent stuff. And I'm really surprised that I even made $1 from this, okay? So this is like legit, real stuff. Like literally, like each assignment is like $60, $70 per assignment, and it goes up from there. So it's like, you can make pretty decent money from this stuff. So if you're interested in this kind of content, you're new to my channel, subscribe, because I will be changing my entire platform to focus on my new business venture. And yeah, so just let me know what you guys want me to talk about and what information you want to know. I have my mobile office. You guys have a lot of questions about that. And yeah, so just let me know, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video so that it can go out more to different people. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a different video. Bye.